FRASCIO sprayer head for toilet handheld bidet by FRASCIO is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. B01BZB5J12TATQD spray was invented by a mom and dad who loved cloth diapering, but were looking for a better sprayer alternative. So Mr. QD Spray invented a cloth diaper sprayer different from all the rest since it allows hot water access, has a simple installation, can be hidden from tiny hands, and is the only diaper sprayer on the market that can travel. With 3 different lengths available, this sprayer can reach any toilet or bathtub. Every sprayer is handmade at home by this family. Support a small home-based business, buy a QD spray, make sure this fits by entering your model number. Most versatile diaper sprayer on the market. Sink connection allows hot water access. Brushed nickel spray head offers premium high water pressure. Made from high-quality components conforming to the latest standards for potable water. Unique design virtually eliminates the risk of water damage due to faulty installation. Perfect solution for apartments and rental property. 100% portable. Fast, easy installation allows for home and travel usage. Every sprayer is assembled by hand in Memphis, Tennessee and leak tested to 50 psi for quality assurance. Alternate uses include potty training cleanup, shower cleaning, personal bidet, pre-washing laundry, washing dirty feet. Fits most standard-sized American faucets. Adapters available for purchase. See user manual for details. Not compatible with all faucet types.